Solar panels totally still work when it's cloudy out, but not as much as when the sun is blasting. So here's the deal. Even if the sky's all gray and gloomy, solar panels can still catch some diffused sunlight and turn it into energy. They don't just need direct sunlight to do their thing, which is super cool because you're still saving some cash on your electric bill. If you want to keep things efficient, make sure your panels are clean, because dirt or dust can really mess with how much juice they pull in, especially on cloudy days. Also, angle matters. Tilt your panels right to catch the most light possible, even if it's not super bright. And don't freak out if your system's output dips when it's overcast. That's totally normal. Battery storage can be a lifesaver here, letting you save up power from sunny times to use when it's cloudy. Lastly, think about getting a system sized for your usual weather conditions, not just sunny days, so you're covered all year round. One of the biggest mistakes people make with solar panels during cloudy weather is expecting full power output, like on a sunny day, which leads to disappointment. The fix is understanding reduced efficiency and planning accordingly. Another common issue is neglecting panel maintenance, like not cleaning off grime or leaves that block light. Keep those panels clean to maximize whatever sunlight you get. The third problem is poor panel placement, or wrong angles that don't catch enough light on dull days. Adjusting the tilt and direction can make a big difference in cloudy conditions. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors for all kinds of home projects, including solar panel installation and maintenance. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to connect with people who need their services, making the whole process easier and more reliable for everyone involved.